ModMed is a powerful clinical tool, but running it effectively requires a level of specialized talent that generalist staff rarely possess. The platform dominates the space. It currently serves over 35,000 providers across 11 specialties, holding roughly 70. You hire an inexperienced generalist and invest 4 to 6 weeks getting them proficient in your system, only to watch them leave for a larger health network that can pay more for those new skills. The defining paradox of the modern specialty practice is that the premium software purchased to streamline operations is generating massive friction because of the human element required to run it. When we look at the statistical reality of medical staffing in 2025, the baseline turnover rates have become mathematically unsustainable for independent clinics. This chart visualizes the 2023 MGMA data on practice operations. Notice how front office support staff hit a 40. Replacing one staff member drains $9,000 to $12,000 through recruiting fees, onboarding hours, and productivity loss. While that new hire struggles up the learning curve, the daily workflow backs up. Prior authorizations stall out, the schedule jams, and the revenue cycle slows to a crawl. That administrative failure bleeds directly onto your clinical team. According to AMA data, providers are now absorbing over 7 hours of EHR-related administrative tasks every week, driving physician burnout rates to over 43%. Absorbing a 40% turnover rate and a $12,000 replacement premium creates a massive recurring drain on your revenue cycle and clinical capacity. Forward-thinking practices are restructuring their operations by moving away from the high-risk cycle of local in-house hiring for EHR administration. They are turning to Staffingly's dedicated virtual Mod Med assistants. These are not generic temporary workers. They are pre-trained specialists explicitly focused on your system's exact workflows. The operational difference is immediate. You trade a 6-week local onboarding period for a specialized team that is integrated and live inside your ModMed environment in 48 to 72 hours. There is a practical trade-off here. You lose the physical presence of a generalist sitting at your front desk, but in exchange, you gain a hyper-focused specialist operating continuously and accurately within your EHR. Looking at this organizational flowchart, you see the built-in support network. Every account includes a team leader, a process manager for quality control, and a dedicated customer success manager who works directly with your practice. The strategic advantage is clear. You shift the burdens of ModMed training, backup coverage, and turnover replacement entirely off your shoulders and place them squarely on the vendor.
Practice owners are naturally skeptical about the accuracy of outsourced labor. Modern virtual assistant models solve this by relying on a dual layer of human expertise backed by technological guardrails. This shows AI quality gates in action. Natural language processing scans ModMed documents, extracting data into structured fields. By pre-populating fields and catching duplicate entries, the system blocks errors from causing billing delays. The system also uses predictive scheduling tools to analyze your specific practice patterns. It then suggests the optimal timing for routine ModMed workflow tasks, ensuring steady, predictable productivity. This requires a shift in how you manage. Instead of tapping an employee on the shoulder to check progress, practice managers utilize structured daily task reporting to measure SLA compliance and track error rates objectively. Everything we have discussed operates under strict regulatory oversight, adhering to complete HIPAA compliance, SOC 2 Type 2, and ISO 27001 certifications. ModMed accuracy improves when you engineer an environment where AI flags errors before human review, rather than relying on the perfect focus of an overworked staff member. Ultimately, this decision comes down to a mathematical showdown, comparing the total required capital inputs against the reliable outputs of both staffing models. This ledger chart compares the two models. An in-house ModMed administrator, including salary, benefits, and turnover, compounds to $60,800 a year. Staffingly's dedicated virtual assistant is $1,800 monthly, or $21,600 annually, a 64% cost reduction. The math improves as you scale. For practices requiring a team of multiple virtual assistants, that monthly rate drops even further, down to $1,650 or $1,500 per person. If you do not need full-time coverage, you can utilize Staffling on an hourly basis for lighter support. You avoid committing to a dedicated headcount entirely while still accessing specialized ModMed talent.
This 64% reduction changes your overhead profile, replacing the unpredictable risks of local hiring and training with a fixed, manageable operational expense. This model is not for everyone. If your practice primarily needs physical staff to handhold patients in the waiting room, and you rarely utilize your EHR's complex features, the in-house model is more appropriate. But if your specialty practice is scaling rapidly, if you are trapped by that 40% turnover baseline, and if your providers are desperate to stop charting at 9 o'clock at night, this is built for you. To eliminate the friction of transition, Staffingly offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee with absolutely no long-term contracts. If the quality misses your benchmarks, you pay nothing. During the pilot phase, your only required investment is the time spent establishing the direct EHR connection and providing workflow oversight during those initial 48 to 72 hours. Deploying this model correctly isolates your administrative tasks, freeing up your remaining in-house staff to focus on patient-facing care while recovering revenue previously lost to processing delays and errors. Successful practice owners in 2025 are choosing to trade the physical oversight of undertrained staff for the guaranteed reliability of specialized, tech-enabled teams. Visit Staffingly to schedule a demo and reclaim your practice's operations today.